I am very hungry right now. I am going to eat. You know what? I think they put a bomb in my food. I'm alive again. I cannot believe it.